Incorrect tax calculations in payroll systems. If you've ever exclaimed, "My payroll system calculates the wrong tax," you're not alone. Today, we'll unravel the complexities behind this problem and guide you towards effective solutions. Basic principles about Malaysia tax. First, tax calculation on annual taxable income. For example, employee earns monthly salary 5,000, annual taxable income will be 5,000, multiplied 12 months equals 60,000. Second, it is progressive tax method. There is a tax table based on annual taxable income, range from 0% up to 30%. Next, for monthly salaried employee will pay tax on month basis, known as MTD, monthly tax deduction. Lastly, there will be list of tax relief items that will reduce taxable income. This is tax rate table as of year 2024. First column indicate taxable income tier. Second column, give the split calculation. Third column is the tax rate for remaining taxable income after first split. Last column is tax amount. Now let's drill into an example of calculation. We will start with getting annual taxable income for an employee who earns 5,000 per month, so annual taxable income is 60,000. There will be some relief which reduce annual taxable income. With this example, where 9,000 for individual, married but spouse not working, will get 4,000, and EPF deduction relief get another 4,000. For the details on tax relief, you can visit LHDN website for further information. Now, employee annual taxable income will be 60,000 minus 17,000, become 43,000. We will refer to tax rate table 43,000 fall into 35,001 to 50,000 bracket. With this, we can start to get tax amount. First 35,000 from the total taxable income, 43,000 will tax at fixed amount of 600, then remaining 8,000 at 6%, mean 480. This will give total of 1,080 from 600 plus 480 as total annual tax for this employee. Lastly, we can estimate monthly tax contribution is 1,080 divide 12 months, which is 90. This should give you an overview of how tax computed for a monthly salaried employee in Malaysia. Of course, the given example is someone has fixed salary throughout the calendar year. Tax could be up and down if there is salary increment, overtime payment, bonus, and other taxable income. So, how can you identify what you can do with incorrect tax amount? On first diagnosis, you can always check is computed tax amount has a huge difference compares with your expectation. Generally, if the amount is small, it usually something to do tax relief, or their earnings could wrongly tag as taxable or non-taxable. How about the amount is huge? That could be due with wrong tagging of residential status or employment type. One of the example is foreign employee will tax at 30%. This just gives you some ideas on how you're going to start your investigation. Eventually, any inaccurate information will lead to discrepancy in tax calculation. Okay, now we categorize it into two areas. First, human mistake. This is pretty simple. You just need to ensure update data correctly. Incorrect employee details, such as marital status, employment type, dependent children, and etc. Employee has earnings from previous employment. Incorrect setup on taxable payroll earnings. You're using new payroll, past payroll data did not migrate. Misunderstanding on tax logic. Second, indeed, this is system bug, where you need to contact payroll administrator or solution provider. For example, outdated statutory contribution table. Logic errors such as did not consider relief capping, misinterpret statutory requirements. Also, system limitations such as decimal rounding and others. First, let's explore why these errors occur. Payroll systems are intricate, handling vast amounts of data and regulations. A minor misconfiguration can lead to significant discrepancies in tax calculations. This not only affects your financial accuracy, but also your compliance with tax laws. Now let's address how to resolve these issues. Begin by auditing your payroll system regularly. Ensure that all tax tables are up to date and that your software is configured correctly for your specific business needs. Utilize built-in diagnostic tools to identify and correct errors promptly. For a more robust solution, consider integrating advanced payroll software that offers real-time updates and comprehensive error checking features. These systems can significantly reduce the risk of incorrect tax calculations, providing peace of mind and financial accuracy. Remember, understanding and addressing these challenges is crucial for business owners, HR professionals, and payroll administrators alike. By staying informed and proactive, you can ensure your payroll system operates smoothly and accurately. While preparing this topic, something triggered me whether Chat-GPT compute Malaysia income tax. Here you go. Before this, we will need to role-play with Chat-GPT that it is a payroll expert. Then request Chat-GPT for tax calculation based on our earlier case study. Chat-GPT managed to compute tax with correct concept and show quick breakdown. Also, it tried to highlight that the calculation using year 2024 table. However, we knew tax supposed to be 90 instead of 86, as tax amount derived from taxable income, so we would like to find out what is the taxable income from Chat-GPT calculation. Based on the replied breakdown, the taxable income is 4,400, which is much lesser than case study of 43,000. This is because Chat-GPT has included EPF contribution using 550 multiplied 12 months equal 13,000. It seems Chat-GPT do not know EPF contribution capping in tax calculation is only 4,000. So let's try remind Chat-GPT on this. And now it seems managed to find more information about annual EPF contribution capping at 4,000 for tax calculation and propose to recalculate tax amount for our case. Okay. After recalculation, the tax amount is 103.33, which is still not correct. Next thing, we go and give more hints to Chat-GPT whether it used correct table and share my calculation for it to validate. Now, it revalidate its own calculation and able to give tax amount as 90. Conclusion: Chat-GPT is a great tool in helping you perform first round of research from World Wide Web on information you need. The artificial intelligence is good, and there are still lots of improvement room. The AI industry is going through a learning process, a revolution. Do you worry about your job being replaced by AI? No. AI not replace you, but person who know how to use AI could replace you. Thank you for joining us in this educational journey. For more insights and solutions, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. Together, let's master the art of payroll accuracy.